How to block international calls on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to block international or fraud calls on Android. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch your phone application on your device. Now navigate to three dots at top right. Select Settings option. Under General, you'll see different option. Choose Block Numbers. At the top, you will see Unknown. So you simply need to turn on block calls from unidentified callers. Now you won't receive calls or texts from blocked numbers. Also, you won't be able to receive the international calls on Android because it will be blocked by your Android. You can even add blocked numbers or international numbers, or you can even unblock if you wish to from the section selecting the cross mark next to it. But right now we won't do that because we are blocking international calls on Android. I hope this step was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.